Allegiant 1536, 1320 at 15, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 36, and 56.
Allegiant 1536, contact Tampa, departure, good flight.
Departure, Allegiant 1536. Yeah, Tower, Allegiant 1536.
Allegiant 1536, contact Tampa.
Yes, sir. We hit a bird on the runway and the engine, and we're probably going to have to come back. We're going to get to grinding.
Roger, Allegiant 1045, use caution, company just hit a bird on the runway.
Copy. And Allegiant 1045, we didn't see a bird as we were cruising down the runway there.
Ops 1 and Allegiant's coming back in, and Ops 1 and Allegiant's coming back in as an emergency inbound. We're pulling the crash zone now. They're 10 miles northwest of the field 3000.
Tower, Allegiant 1536, wind 36.
Allegiant 1536, St. Pete Tower, wind 310 at 15, runway 36. Continue for now.
Continue for 36.
Allegiant 1536, wind 310 at 15, runway 36. Clear to land.
Clear to land 36.
Retard. 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 Retard.
That's 20 to proceed on the runway. Allegiant 1536, turn left at the end and contact ground point Niner.
Left at the end, contact ground. Did you guys find evidence of that bird, or did you turn it into powder?
Allegiant 1536, Ops did find some small remains just north of Alpha 4.
Roger. It was a big bird. I think it was short or hawk.
Allegiant 1536, Roger. Just glad you landed safely.